Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can code in LabVIEW. So coding differs from traditional text-based languages because it uses graphical programming. Instead of typing lines of code, you wire together functional blocks in a flowchart like environment. So we have two window systems. So the first one basically is the front panel where you place controls, inputs like knobs, buttons. You see here some buttons. So this is the tool where you will place, where you will find these controls. And also you have indicators like graph and so on. So we have graphs right here and LED also, so numeric right over here. All right, then we have block diagram. So this is where you place functions and wire them to the terminals created by your front panel objects. So shortcut for that is Control E. So this is that you toggle between block diagram and front panel. So Control E. Now to place object. If you don't have opened this function window, you click right click on your mouse and function will be opened up, as you can see right here. Functions, custom. So if I close this and right click on my mouse, I will open up this function window. Yeah. So this is basically how you code in LabVIEW. So I can show you. Here you will select, basically it's almost the same as your text coding, but here is difference that you have these blocks, but these blocks means almost the same thing like you would make text coding. So you are familiar with structures, so you have time structures, for loop, case structure, event structure, while loop. So yeah, this is how you can do that in LabVIEW. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next